Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play the Hamster Kombat mini game for 5th September 2024. First thing you do is to click on mini games here. When you click on mini game, you click on the puzzle game here. You wait for it to open. Once you click on display, your timer starts counting. So remember, we are going to move this key out of the exit by shifting these candles, the red and green candles, to make space for the key to move out of the box. So you click on play here to play the game. Just follow through and pay attention as I play the game. We have about 50 something seconds left. So we still have time. So move this key out of this exit. We've successfully solved the puzzle. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.